Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is Car and Owner's Detail based on car type. So here we need to write a query to display car ID, car name, owner ID of all the cars whose car type is hatchback or SUV. Now after that we need to sort the result based on car ID. So this is most commonly used concept, that is sorting. So we need to sort the result based on car ID. Here one hint is given that you need to use cars table in order to retrieve the data, and data is case sensitive. For example, the car type is hatchback. So see, H is capital and other letters are in small. So we have to use in operator over here. So let's quickly create one table, that is cars table. So we know the syntax for creating the table, that is create table, table name, and we need to specify the column name with its data type. So the name of the table is cars, and we have the first column name, that is car ID, which will be of varchar type. Then we have car name, then car type. We don't need phone number, so I will erase this. Now we have owner ID. So let's quickly run this query. So it's giving me one error that no database is selected. So let me use Cognizant hands-on, that is the database name. In case you don't know how to create the database, then we have to use one keyword, that is create database and the name of the database. So this will create one database. Then you can start writing the tables, creating the tables, inserting the records in the table, and many more things. So let's quickly insert the records in the cars table. So insert into table name, and we don't need to specify the columns. We can also do by directly writing the values. I have inserted all the records, and as you can see, I have done select star from cars in order to retrieve all the records that are present in my table. Now let's filter the data. So I'm using one keyword, that is where, and we need car type equals to hatchback. So or SUV, or car type equals to SUV. So let's see what it will give me as a result. So let me copy this and I will paste it over here, and then I will select SUV instead of hatchback. So this will give me the results of only hatchback and SUV. See, one data that we have inserted as a dummy is not shown in this result. So this is giving me hatchback and SUV only, but here we need to use in operator. So let me filter this again. So I have used where car type in, then we need to specify the first value comma second value. The first value is hatchback and the second value is SUV. That's the use of in operator. So see, there is no difference between the where clause and in clause. So just writing the syntax is different. We need to specify the in keyword along with the first value and the second value. So whenever we are using in operator, then we need to specify two or more values. So after that we need to sort the result based on car ID. So in the previous video I have already showed that whenever we need sorting, then we have to use the keyword that is order by. So here we need to do order by order car ID. So I will use car ID, and they haven't specified that it is in descending or ascending, so let it be. By default it will be ascending order only. So this is the query that we are actually looking for, and this query is giving me the exact result, that is all the cars that are hatchback or SUV only. I hope the query is very clear to you now. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.